to Gold Burmese language lessons. Today lesson 3, we're going to talk about essential Burmese words. Let it start. Number 1, go. Tuade. Tuade. Okay, again. Tuade. Number 2, come. Lade. Lade. Again, lade. Number 3, eat. Sade. Sade. Okay, again, sade. Number 4, drink. Takde. Takde. Okay, again, takde. Number 5, write. Yere. Yere. Again, yere. Read. Patte. Patte. Okay, again, patte. Number 7, forget. Mayday. Mayday. Number 8, remember. The D yadi. Again, the D yadi. The D yadi. Number 9, close. Bake day. Bake day. Again, bake day. Number 10, open. Print day. Print day. Okay, print day. Number 11, sleep. 8 day. 8 day. 8 day. Number 12, wake up. Eya taba. Eya taba. Again, eya taba. Number 13, laugh. Ye more. Ye more. We can say easy, yere. 14, cry. Ngode. Ngode. 15, dance. Gade. Gade. Again, gade. 16, beat. Yaite. 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 17, apologize. Down bend body. Again, down bend body. Down bend body. We can say also this, down bend. Down bend is okay. 18, loose. 表鬆呢. 表鬆的. Again, 表鬆的. 19, say. 表的. 表的. Please care in different pronunciation of 表的 and 表的. 表的 means happy. We already learned about happy in lesson 2. So, practice again. Say, 表的. 表的. Okay? Next one. Number 20. Cook. ချက်的. ချက်的. Also need to care in different pronunciation of ချက်的 and ချစ်的. ချစ်的 is love. we already learned about love in lesson 2. So, we need to practice again. Cook. Chette. Chette. Please enjoy in your days with essential Burmese words. I will come back to you the next lessons step by step. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Jesu Demare. Jesu Demare.